Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Ankit Career Academy. The target for this YouTube channel is to solve 8 lakh math problems. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So in this question we are calculating the derivative of sec of log of x raised to the power n. So first of all, let us assume that the value of y is equal to sec then log of x raised to the power n. After this, what we are going to do is we are going to substitute the value of x raised to the power n as v. And so that means that the value of u would be equal to log of x raised to the power n, which is this quantity internally here, but x raised to the power n is v. So this would be equal to log of v. So value of y is equal to sec of u, the value of u is equal to log of v, and the value of v is equal to x raised to the power n. Now after this, what we are going to do is we are going to calculate the value of dy by du. So in this case this would be sec u tan u, then the value of du by dv is equal to 1 divided by v, and dv by dx is equal to nx n minus 1. So now what is going to happen is, if you want to calculate the value of dy by dx, then that would be equal to dy by du multiplied by du by dv multiplied by dv by dx. So all we need to do now is just substitute the values over here. So dy by du is equal to sec u tan u multiplied by 1 divided by v and multiplied by nx n minus 1. Now let us substitute the original values over here. Dy by dx is equal to sec log of x raised to the power n tan of log of x raised to the power n multiplied by 1 divided by x raised to the power n, and then we have x raised to the power n minus 1 over here. And when you solve this completely, the final answer that you get is n divided by x sec of log x raised to the power n multiplied by 10 of log x raised to the power n. So this right here is the final answer to this particular problem. I hope that this video was informative enough, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.